Layby Services Australia looks after people who prefer not to use credit and use Layby to get the goods and services that they like. We have a catalogue through a brand called HamperKing, and they purchase products through that catalogue and they give us weekly payments. The big difference between our Layby and most of the retailers' Layby is the retailer has the customer and they have the products, but they actually haven't got the payments. With our system, we actually have the payments and we've got the customer, but we haven't purchased the goods until the end of the year, and we deliver everything in time for Christmas.
One of the things that is very important for ASE customers and that we hear a lot is that they want to have a fixed monthly cost. And this fixed monthly cost means that we are ultimately responsible for delivering a particular product in a particular fashion.
Our business model has lots of peaks and troughs, and during those peaks we have a lot of staff in our call centre, and during the troughs we ramp down. And ultimately I did not want to have a fixed cost model all the way through the year. I wanted to have a variable cost model, and this infrastructure that we've set up has allowed us to operate in that sense.
Because we control the environment and have a range of experts in their fields managing the environment, we can ensure that the products are highly available and accessible at all times from anywhere.
One of our key motivators within the call centre is to be able to manage these call volumes to ensure that our abandonment rates are low and also our average handling times. And using the Cisco platform has allowed us to get great efficiency within our call centre platform without the huge cost that normally comes with such a large investment.
In our initial dealings with Layby Services Australia, uptime and availability was of major importance to the Layby Services business. Because they're a call centre and they handle customer interaction and support, it's very important for them to make sure that they could be contactable by the customers at all times. The ASE infrastructure has provided them with that platform. It's constantly available. We haven't experienced any downtime with Layby Services Australia, and as a result we've processed several thousand calls a day through their call centre.
Recently we've implemented SAP, both the CRM and ERP modules. They're both hosted in the ASE infrastructure cloud, and we haven't had any issues since go live of having an external party host our SAP modules. 100%
of the Layby Services IT services are provided by ASE. And this includes managed SharePoint, managed Exchange, managed Microsoft SQL, hosted web servers, managed web content filtering, a managed call platform. As you can see, there's a lot of depth to our offering, and we're able to engage with all our customers and partner with them to ensure that they've got the best of breed in all areas of their IT.
It's incredibly important to have the right technology. If you think what we've done with the Layby model is that we've automated the model, and so thousands of retailers around the country still have their customers walk in and put little payments down and having to come back time and time again. Through the automation process, we've actually done that through direct debit payments, and it doesn't require a customer to actually visit any store apart from our website or give us a call through our call centre.
One of the main reasons we've chosen ASE to manage our infrastructure is that we've outsourced basically all of our IT components. This has allowed us to focus on what is core to our business, and that is generating sales from our customer base through our catalogue. We don't have to worry about our IT because we've invested with an organisation that we have 100% trust in to look after our IT infrastructure. We know that the response times are fantastic, the innovation that's coming out of ASE is great, and we know that the business will grow with ASE and the innovation they bring to the table.
We see a huge tactical advantage of having IT services on demand, because it means that we can concentrate on our business and focus on the things that we are really good at, and getting the support of IT support that we need without actually having to worry about the capability.
During the initial startup, we were looking for a partner that would bring to the table some innovation, great flexibility, and also some superb support to the organisation. We don't have an internal IT department, so we're very reliant on an organisation that can support our business now and as we grow. Meeting Andrew and the team, they have proved exactly the IT partner that we were looking for, and we're looking forward to growing as an organisation together in joint partnership.
When Layby Services Australia first approached ASE to manage their IT infrastructure, They're in the process of migrating from an existing site to a new premises and wanted to refresh their IT infrastructure. We were able to do this after partnering with them and to gather their requirements and successfully implement a fully hosted, outsourced infrastructure solution, which means that Layby Services is able to be flexible and can adapt to changing market conditions and can expand and shrink their infrastructure as needed and as demand requires.
The future plans of Layby Services are quite vast. There's only a couple of organisations that actually play in this space, and so it just means that there's huge opportunity for us, not only in Australia but around the world, in taking this technology and automating Layby services for other countries as well.